Hey, this is Ken Kuchta, and I'm going to show you how to make graphs in Microsoft Word. So when you log into your computer, you go to the bottom left screen and you type in Word, W-O-R-D, and you select Word, which is Microsoft Word. And then you open a blank document. You go to layout, not layout, insert, sorry, insert, chart, which is right under references. And we've all decided that we're going to do a pie chart, which is also called a circle graph. And you hit OK. And then you edit the data here. So my first group are people who it takes 90 minutes to get to the airport, and there were 3 of them. My second group is people who take 45 minutes to get to the airport, and there are 2 of them. My third group is people who take 18 minutes, and there's only 1. My next group is people who take 15 minutes, and there is 1. Okay, I've got to extend this a little bit bigger. So I hover over the corner, and when you see this little arrow, that allows you to stretch it, okay? All right, my next group, people who take 1 hour, that's 3 people. Okay. My next one is 2 hours, that's 120 minutes, and that's only 1 person. And then finally, people who take a half an hour, that's 30 minutes, and that is also 1 person. Okay, so does this look a little bit better? Does this graph look better? It looks better, right? But this is saying sales. Well, my question was not about sales, was it? My question was, how long does it take you to get to the airport, right? So I got to change that right here. I select it, and I type, how long does it take you to get to the airport? Okay, and hopefully when I click down here, it changes. Yes, it did. Okay, all right. So now when I scroll down on my page, look, my legend also shows all of these values that I put in here. 90 minutes, 45 minutes, 18 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay? Does everybody understand so far? Is that okay? Now, when I'm done, I click X, and I have a nice, beautiful graph. Okay? This is a real world skill that you can use in your job, in your future school. Okay? Yeah, do you have a question? Let me pause this real quick. Okay, so Nelson just asked, how do I make my chart show the number of people that I asked? You go over here to chart elements, you click the plus, and you make sure that data labels is checked. And then you get a little number that shows that information. Any more questions? All right, I'm gonna